What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat, and also the place where I mix chickpeas with dessert. Yeah, that's right. I did it. Chickpeas and dessert. Let's get started. Alright, so now that the chocolate has been melted and is ready to go, I'm going to add the chickpeas to the blender. I think I should just start like a blender series because I do everything in the blender, it's great. And then I'm going to add the eggs. I'm going to blend these two together and then we'll add the other stuff. Alright, so that is done. I'm going to transfer this to a bowl so we can add the chocolate. Alright, add the chocolate. Believe you me, you will not taste the chickpeas in this. It is amazing. You've got to give it a try. But before you do, please remember to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the video. Also, hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos. So until next time, I'm gonna go eat this and you have to go make yours. I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.